Hello, I'm Cristy. I'm a pathology student at APC and I am based on the Gold Coast. I am a mom of two humans and two dogs. I have previously been in brand management and corporate life. Now that I have my kids, I don't want to do that anymore. I'd still like to give back to the community, but in school hours. The reviews online were great. Everyone I spoke to who has anything to do with APC couldn't speak more highly of them. And when I spoke to the enrollment team before actually applying, they had plenty of time for me. They were very happy to be flexible, and yeah, they gave the feeling that they really wanted to set everyone up to succeed. The support of Yolanta and Kath, the feedback that they've been providing on assessment, the encouragement and constructive criticism throughout the assessment, they're so warm and so supportive that everything is, we can take it on board and really grow from it. The hands-on. I really enjoy the hands-on learning with my cohorts. We've done so much hands-on experience, so much role-playing. Yolanta and Kath have really hammered home the muscle memory of the standard operating procedures. So when I go into any room, I'm very confident as to this is step one, this is step two, and it just really takes away any of that panic around starting something new. I'm not afraid to stick a needle in someone's arm, I'm not afraid to take a pot of urine because I know the procedures and how to do it. I'm confident enough that I actually am going to start work at a pathology clinic on Monday.